The Sensarte non-stick ceramic cookware set is a premier choice for health-conscious cooks who refuse to compromise on performance. Engineered with a toxin-free mineral-based coating, this set eliminates concerns about forever chemicals, providing a superior, slide-off-the-pan cooking experience. Whether searing on an induction cooktop or simmering a delicate sauce, Sensarte performs. It combines sleek, modern aesthetics with a heavy-duty decast, aluminum core, designed for the demands of a busy kitchen. The Sensarte 14-piece ceramic cookware set is a comprehensive kitchen solution, designed for the health-conscious cook who refuses to sacrifice performance for safety. At its heart is a high-purity ceramic non-stick surface, a modern alternative to traditional coatings. Unlike older non-stick technologies, this ceramic layer is completely free from PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, and PFOS, ensuring no forever chemicals leach into your family's meals, even at high temperatures. The construction is verified to be free of lead and cadmium, providing a truly non-toxic cooking environment. Beyond its safety profile, the natural non-stick properties of the ceramic are exceptionally efficient, offering superior food release that rivals any competitor. This natural slipperiness means you can significantly reduce the amount of butter or oil used, supporting a heart-healthy, low-fat diet without the frustration of stuck-on food. The set is also remarkably Ultimately, the Sensarte ceramic set proves that you don't need toxic coatings to achieve professional results. By balancing a high-quality 4.8mm induction-ready base with the safety of a PFOA-free ceramic surface, it offers a versatile and eco-friendly upgrade for any home. If you are looking for a durable, healthy, and high-performing cookware set, choose Sensarte.